Good morning, class 5 parents and students. I enjoyed your presence in the online Zoom class. Students, whatever we have studied in Zoom class today, I'm repeating it. Kindly pay attention. In your classwork, you have to do exercise 3.2, which is on page number 23 of your maths book. Question number 2, A, C, D part in the notebook. How will you do? Have a look. First, you will mention the exercise, page number. Number 2, solve the following word problems. Then A part. You can see I have mentioned A part not completely. It is the duty of the students to write the whole questions so that at the time of your revision, you can refer the notebook without referring your book. आपके पास यहाँ पे questions भी होंगे as well as their solution. So it will be easier for you. So you need to write the whole question. Not like the teacher. Now, question is a manufacturer, matlab producer, sold 23,650 packets of sugar to shopkeeper A. So there is a locality where 3 shopkeepers are there, A, B, C. वहाँ पे एक मैन्युफैक्चरर है, प्रोड्यूसर है, जिन्होंने पैकेट्स ऑफ शुगर बनाए हैं एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे हैं 3 अलग अलग शॉपकीपर को. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी पैकेट्स ऑफ शुगर डिड द मैन्युफैक्चरर सेल इन ऑल. We have to find here total number of packets of sugar the producer has sell. That means we have to perform addition. First, it is a responsibility to write the statements. How will we write? Look at the first number, that is 23,650. The first statement is number of packets of sugar sold to shopkeeper A. Since I don't have the space, I have written equals to and the number down. Next is number of packets of sugar sold to shopkeeper B. I have written 51,173. That is what written in your book as well. Number of packets of sugar sold to shopkeeper C. That is written by the teacher. After that, the question is total packets sold by the manufacturer. So I have written it in the statement form. And I have shown the operation which I have to do to find the answer. Which operation we have to opt for finding the total things? Addition. So I took all the 3 numbers and show addition. Then I have written the numbers 23,650, 51,173, 60,850 in column and find the sum. The sum came to be 1,35,673. Students, always end your word problem solution by the conclusion line, which will start with the 3 dot, that is called therefore. Therefore, the manufacturer sold 1,35,673 पैकेट्स ऑफ शुगर एंड ऑल. अगर आपको कंक्लूजन लिखने में डिफ़िकल्टी आती है, कन्फ्यूजन होती है, तो आपको ईजी वे में इसका आंसर देना है. व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? दिस आंसर, द कंक्लूजन लाइन इज सिंपली द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. अगर आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ए पार्ट पे देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन है हाउ मेनी पैकेट्स ऑफ शुगर डिड द मैन्युफैक्चरर सेल इन ऑल. सो इसका मैचिंग आंसर मिलता है द मैन्युफैक्चरर सोल्ड, देन यू विल राइट द आंसर विच यू हैव फाउंड एज अ सम, पैकेट्स ऑफ शुगर इन ऑल. In the classwork, next after A is C. Again, you have to write the whole question from your book, page number 23. The question is, the population of a city is given to you, which is of 2010 year. ठीक है, 2010 का यहाँ पे population दे रखा है. And also it is given कि next year it increased by 45,125. Now the question arise that total population of the city in the year 2011 क्या है. तो इसमें क्या करना है हमने? First we have to mention the population of city in 2010, which is given to you. Increase in population, कितना increase हुआ, कितने newborn babies born हुए एक साल में? 45,125. Then total population कैसे मिलेगी next year की? When we will add the 2 numbers, that is 5,34,296 and 45,125. We have performed the addition, we have written the numbers in column form and found the sum. And at last we will write the conclusion line. The conclusion line will be the total population of the city in the year 2011 is your sum. After that, D part, where a girl annual income means पूरे साल में कितनी income है, 12 months की salary को मिला के annual income होती है, right? So Poonam's annual income is given to you, जो कि 2011 year की है. And then नेक्स्ट ईयर में उसके कितनी बड़ी है सैलरी पूरे साल में, वो दे रखा है. बट हमें ये नहीं बताया है दैट व्हाट इज़ हर एनुअल इनकम इन देयर 2012 में उसकी एनुअल इनकम कितनी है वो नहीं बताया है. बजाय इसके बताया है 2012 में उसकी कितनी बड़ी तनख्वाह, राइट? द सैलरी increment is given to you. So I have written the statements like annual income in 2011, that is given, annual increment in 2012, and to find the annual income in 2012 हमें इन दोनों नंबर को जो दे रखे हैं ऐड करना पड़ेगा टोटल निकालने के लिए. We found 7,43,520 as the annual income and written the conclusion line. The annual income of Poonam in the year 2012 is rupees. You have to mention the rupees sign as well, 7,43,520. Remember students, whenever you are calculating, performing calculation, there you need not to mention the commas, okay? But wherever other places you need to mention the comma. So that was your classwork in the notebook. So what is your classwork? Exercise 3.2, question number 2, ACD, which I have just explained, you have to do in copy neatly. Homework is same exercise, same question, rest of the part, BE. For your information, let me tell you students, मैंने Zoom class में बताया है, F part, question number 2, F part is omitted. उसको exclude कर दिया, हटा दिया गया है, syllabus में नहीं आएगा. Along with question number 2, rest part, you have to do question number 3 also. Question number 3 कुछ अलग नहीं है, question number 3 is just question number 2C part which we have already done in the classwork. Okay, so this is your homework. I just want to share some note also. See, number 1 is attend all online classes. You know we are giving you Zoom link, so you need to attend them on regular basis, right, on time. I should suggest 5 minutes ahead. 5 मिनट पहले आप अटेंड करिए ताकि मैम आपको इन करें और क्लास टाइमली स्टार्ट हो सके. After joining, mute yourself. Okay, mic option is given to you. Please mute. जब तक आपके टीचर नहीं बोलते कि unmute करके आप converse करो, share your doubts, ask your doubts, until you should not unmute yourself. ठीक है, तो जैसे ज्वाइन करते हो म्यूट कर लो. एंड द लास्ट इज